the thunder, shake the open ground. Won't give in, I'm fighting for the crown. Heavy clouds are way above my head, like all of my regrets.
Wade Young is coming from South Africa. He is one of the best hard enduro riders. At age of 16, Wade Young became the youngest enduro winner of the Roof of Africa.
Carry on the battle, son, the war's not over, the dawn's not that far away. Hop back on the saddle soon, you soulless soldier, the dark can consume your brain. All we ever wanted was a little air to breathe, but all we got are ashes of our old memories. They can try to take me down, but they can't take me to my knees. You'll never take me, not my choice, but
Hey, I'm Wade Young, I'm from South Africa, I'm 23 years old and I ride for Sherco factory. It's my third time here in Australia for the Wildwood. Yeah, it's been good. It's a great race. You know, every year the event's improving and they're adding more sections to the track and making it a bit more harder, and well, you're just trying to learn and make it better. So yeah, every year it's getting better. Enjoy it here. So basically we set the bike up for extreme enduro, so we ran a bit of a softer setting on the suspension, run a soft tyre on the back and also a soft mousse so we can get maximum traction. And yeah, that's pretty much the basic setup for extreme enduro, and that's pretty much what I ran today. Roof of Africa in 2012 when I was 16, and before that my vision was World Championship Enduro. That's where I wanted to go and be, and I won the Roof of Africa in 2012, and I had offers to do races like Romaniacs and that with Kuzelberg. So obviously I took it any opportunity to get overseas, and so yeah, I almost got like redirected. Obviously winning the roof, I was like, okay, I'm actually not too bad at this, and yeah, I sort of wasn't aiming for that and just stumbled upon it, but then really enjoyed it. I'm really happy and I don't regret going over to Extreme Enduro at all instead of doing World Championship Enduro. full. Full bow. Full bow.
Damn!
Our rim is spinning. The moose is spinning, the wheel. Get 110. Yeah. Out of the way. How big is the gap? Okay. What? I pretty much got the lead from the start and just kept it the whole way in front and just felt strong all day, real strong, so happy to get the win. Thanks man.
First place, the winner of the 2018 9th edition of Sea to Sky, Mr. Wade Young. Ödülleri olmak üzere 3 numaralı sporcumuzun ödüllerini vermek üzere Kemal AK Parti İlçe Başkanı Sayın İsmail Selam'ın